Hello everyone, welcome back. Adam here with GlowStone Lighting. Just wanted to do a quick troubleshooting video if you are experiencing any sort of issue when you are looking to get a verification code if you have forgotten your password. So essentially what I mean by that is if you hit forgot password, which I'll actually show you here right now. So if I just type out my email, adam@glowstonelighting.com, and I hit I forgot my password. And so if, for example, if I reach out about my password here and I hit reset password, if you're not getting a verification code within like 5 to 10 seconds, or even like, sometimes it might take longer depending if you're like on Wi-Fi, if you're on data, if you're not getting one within at least like 10 minutes, then there's some sort of issue going on with your DNS settings. It's something we can't control. It just has something to do with your phone. And so an easy way to kind of get around this is actually if you go back here to the login page, what we'll want you to do is actually re-register. Now, when I go here to the register button, I click on that. I'm going to just fill out your information again. A cool trick that we've discovered is if you were to type out your email again, but before the @ symbol, whether it's like at Gmail or Hotmail or whatever it is, adding a plus symbol and any number. And what this does is it's kind of like some little fun little technical workaround where if I create now this email address, instead of it being adam@glowstonelighting.com, if I do like adam+2@glowstonelighting.com and I, create a, new password and stuff like that for this, what it will do is it'll actually send me a verification code to my proper email, at adam@glowstonelighting.com. And I'll show you that right here. So if I click register, and it's going to ask me to confirm my account, you're going to see here on my phone that even though I put an Adam +4 or a +2 there at gmail.com, boom, you can see here on my phone, this verification code, it says to Adam +2@glowstonelighting.com. But just for some evidence, like if you can kind of see here at the top of my screen, Microsoft 365, like that's adam@glowstonelighting.com. So this is my actual email, and it's going to the right one. We're not entirely sure why it does this, but it just seems to be happening. And if I just type out the verification code, or if you copy and paste it like that and click confirm sign up, then it's going to be able to log you in. And so one thing we'll mention about this though is when you go to re-log in at the top, you will have to put this plus whatever number you put in, and your password that you created. So this is for instances or cases where homeowners do not have more than one email they can use if they need to re-register. We're not entirely sure why it's happening, but it does have something to do with a DNS setting on their phone. So as you can see, I've fully logged in here. But any information that comes to that, plus whatever number you put in email, it is going to go to your regular email. Okay, so hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, please reach out.